Hi, me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. While the other video was loading, I thought, instead of going down here, selecting the box, going up here to intersect this picture out, why don't we make a hotkey for the intersect command? Go Tools, Options, Customization, Commands. We don't really know where it is. A lot of times you can find it, but if you'll just start typing out intersect, there's no hotkey for it. So we're going to add a new hotkey. I don't think artistic media tool. Let's just go O. You could assign whatever you wanted and then say OK. So now when we do this, it'll save us a trip going up there. We'll just type in the letter O and we've intersected that picture. Select O, intersect that picture. Select O, intersect that picture. Save a little time. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.